Okay, good morning. This is Julie J. Auto Trading Strategies, and I've been tweeting this morning because I'm so excited. It looks like crude not only has its V bottom that we've been waiting for, but we probably have the left shoulder, the head, and once we get the EIA report coming back to check this previous point of control or the VWAP, we're going to have our right shoulder. So I'll be looking for price to get up to 38.50, or let's measure it. Up here at the weekly VWAP band up here, this is the weekly 39.15. So somewhere up in here for the run to get back into this previous level, balance out, and then start our ascent back into normalcy, hopefully. So this could be the bottom that we're waiting to see printed. Hopefully the crude traders and everybody sees this. You see it? I see it. Very easy to see with these Unirinkos. This is a 50-cent bar, okay? $500 per bar, tip to toe on a reversal. Um, so that may be why you can't see it on your minute charts or your regular tick charts. That's why I like these Unirinkos. You put a 30-minute chart up here and it's like, it just looks like a rounded bottom. So it doesn't look so prominent. But you put these Unirinkos on it and you can really, really see it. Okay. So this is a sign. It's a sign. And let me show you another sign. We've got the 60-15 going back into green. That's a huge sign. That's my higher time frame trend. So today's EIA will probably get this back, pushing back into the value a little bit on the weekly, but more likely than not, it's going to hold on this previous point of control. Low volume node area at 36.42. And then kick back up and out. We've got another low volume area, 37.57, that might bounce price, but we'll try to get this high volume node to hold that bounce and then send it back up. We'll see what happens after the report. Here's the E-mini. I want to show you how I trade these low and high volume nodes and previous points of control. You can see this is another Rinko bar. And when price comes back to a previous point of control, see that bottom? That's where it turns around. So if you want to know in the indexes, the secret, see how it comes back to that previous point of control? Turns around right on, like it's like flipping a dime, right? Off of a curb when we were kids. It's that, I mean, it's just that tight. Railing those corners. So this is the magic, and that's why I love these MP line indicators. Again, I use a 25% value for good reason, because when price is respecting the value area, you can overlay a VWAP on it to get your 68% value. But ordinarily, it's going to respect that 25% value area. Here's a weekly VWAP. um, so, excuse me. Sorry, allergies in Houston. Another thing I want you to notice is the lack of downward momentum currently. That's not to say this can't invert and come back down, but it's looking more likely than not that this is going to continue driving higher because of the lack of downward momentum at the current moment. That can change. But usually in a range, you buy the bottoms and you sell the tops. So my guess is if this comes back down, it's going to test 2035, this area, 2034.75, and then come back up. So right here, like that. Unless it just crashes through, which I doubt because of the minutes that are coming out today are very dovish. And the market just won't sell off on that. Thankfully, the Fed is giving the commodities a breather, um, so that the emerging markets and the rest of the world can catch up and give oil a chance to start climbing. So again, thank you. Let's go back and look at the chart. Apparently, this crude chart is coming from Kuwait. They announced that they're going to start pressing for some freezes and production cuts to get the price of crude stabilized. So that's the best news. Finally, somebody else is taking the reins on this and deciding not to dive bomb the world economies anymore. Enough is enough of this foolishness. All right. Thank you so much. We'll watch for the EIA, a little bit of a pullback, maybe get that right shoulder. I mean, wouldn't that be amazing? Just see this set up like a pool game bank shot, down to the right pocket and then back up to the right, the other opposite pocket. 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Boom. All right, that's the trade plan. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you so much.